Welcome back to Great Day St. Louis. Today is a very special day here at KMOV. It's our For You Day of Giving, supporting the North Sarah Food Hub.
And our Taylor Holt, First Alert Force Taylor Holt, is live at Confluence Farms this morning, learning how the organization is making a difference for patients at BJC. Taylor?
Yeah, that's right, Ken. Well, as a hospital system, health, of course, is at the center of BJC's mission. It's also a big part of the mission for the North Sarah Food Hub. And here at Confluence Farms in Florissant is where that all starts. Here is where staff, they plant, they harvest fresh produce. That food then goes back into the community. But I want to talk a little bit about how this all helps BJC patients as well. So with me, I have Jabron Jones, the executive director of the North Sarah Food Hub, as well as Deidre Griffith, who is the Vice President of Community Health with BJC. Thank you guys both for being here. I'll start with you, Jabron. Just tell me why BJC is working with the North Sarah Food Hub.
Well, Taylor, I believe the BJC is working with the North Sarah Food Hub because we are one of the organizations that have really focused on addressing diet-related illnesses, so diabetes, renal kidney disease, those types of things. And we also make culturally appropriate food as well, so food that people can relate to, that they're used to eating. We do try to extend their palates to, more things, but we make mostly things that they're familiar with, so that's really important.
Yeah, and Deidre, just again, why would a health system get involved with a non-medical organization?
Yes, again, because BJC is just extremely committed to our communities that we serve outside of our hospital walls. Diabetes is extremely prevalent in our communities, obesity, diabetes, and as Jabron mentioned, they're able to prepare some really delicious, healthy foods that really resonate with many of our diabetes patients experiencing diabetes through our Food as Medicine program that we've initiated at Christian Hospital, also located here in North St. Louis County. It really makes a difference for our patients. We're starting to see some great improvements in many of their A1C numbers. So it's just a win-win for both of us.
Yeah, that's really amazing to hear. And Jabron, tell me why the organization like the North Sarah Food Hub is so important here to the St. Louis area.
Well, just as Deidre mentioned, we're helping to lower patients' A1C blood sugar levels, but we also provide access. So individuals who need the food that may not can afford to purchase food from grocery stores and things like that, we actually make it a much more affordable choice. And I can honestly say that our meals taste better than many of the other meals out there. So I like to brag on the stuff that we do.
Yeah, and I tasted some rosemary. It tasted real good. So just lastly, tell me about the plans to expand.
So our plans to expand, we outgrew the North Sarah Food Hub at the beginning of the pandemic, March 22nd. And so within the first 8 months, we've run out of space in cold storage. So we need to expand to a much larger cold storage facility. We need about 25,000 square foot cold storage facility. But we also need an industrial kitchen. We're moving from making 5,000 meals per week we want to make about 5,000 to 10,000 meals per day, because that's really what the need is in the community. I mean, and we would still only be just scratching the surface. We actually need to produce quite a bit more food than we actually currently are.
Yeah, an amazing effort. Thank you guys both for talking with me. And like you said, they need your help to keep serving the community. So you can go ahead and donate right now by grabbing your phone. Go ahead and look at that QR code on your screen. You can also donate by going to KMOV.com/4U. And we're again going to be out here all morning, all throughout today. Damon Arnold is actually going to take over a little bit later. He's going to be here at the farm as well as the food kitchen. But right now, I will send it back to you guys.